Hello, students. Today, or right now, we are going to score our very first open-ended item that a different student outside of our class did. You all have a copy of that response on your desk. So what you have on your desk right now is PSSA Math Grade 5 student response number 1. And you've got their answers here. And we're going to score it based on the rubric that we went over to score our own problems. So let's just recall this first question. It said, each month for 4 months, Gabriella recorded the number of days the sun was visible at noon. She started the pictograph below, but has not yet completed the row for June. And our key, of course, says that one sun equals 4 days. So this student, for part A, how many days was the sun visible at noon in March? They said the sun was visible at noon for 24 days. Okay, so let's recall what the rubric said. I'm going back to my copy. This is +1 for a correct answer. Period, end of story. If they have 24 days anywhere with no explanation needed, this is a DOK1, they get +1. So, pause the video. Does this student get a +1? Okay, we're back. I hope you decided. Absolutely, this student gets a +1. Very good. Okay, let's move on. Student goes to part B. How many more days was the sun visible at noon in May than in April? Explain how you found your answer. Now remember, we were looking for if they have 6 days anywhere, they get +1. So why don't we try to find that first? Do they have 6 somewhere? Let's scan it. I see a 6 right here. There were 6 more days that the sun was visible in May than April. So I think right beside that 6, we're going to put +1. Okay, but how did we get the other point? So we had to have the 6 days, but then we had to have some kind of justification. If you remember, I justified it just by doing May days and April days and then subtracting. You could explain it in words. So let's see if we like what this student said and we think it's a correct and complete explanation. Let's go back. I'm going to read it out loud, then you can pause it and decide. Okay, there were 6 more days that the sun was visible in May than April. I multiplied 4 times 4 for April because there are 4 suns in April, and each sun equals 4 days. For May, I multiplied 5.5 times 4 and got 22 days. Then I subtracted and got 6 days. So pause the video and let me know if you think from here to here is a complete and supportive explanation of how this student got 6 more days. Okay, you're back, and I hope you all decided. Heck, I would give that student 1. I think that's great. I don't think there's anything missing. This student actually took my work and put it into words, which is pretty cool. And to be honest with you, you're taking your PSSAs online, so typing it like that might actually be easier than trying to find some of these math symbols. I don't know, it's up to you. Okay, and now flip it over for part C. Part C said, to finish the pictograph, Gabriella put 9 complete sun pictures in the row for June. Explain how you know Gabriella made a mistake when she finished the pictograph. Okay, so let's remember my answer. I took 9 times 4 and got 36. Then I explained about the month of June. It only has 30 days, so it's impossible for the sun to be out for 36 days. So we're going to give this student a whole point for a correct and complete explanation, or a half point for a correct but incomplete explanation. So let's read what they have. 9 times 4 equals 36 days, but there isn't 36 days in June or any other month. Pause and decide if you think that is a +1 a +1/2, or a +0? Okay, I hope you said +1, because if I'm grading this student, I am giving them a +1. This is an excellent open-ended item. And if you total the points, we've got one, oh, I did this on a separate page. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-point response, and you can even see it. 4 points. And yeah, that is an advanced response right there. Well done, student, whoever you are. Okay, thanks for watching, and happy trails to you.